Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to work on a new project that is called Barcode Reader in React programming. So we are going to learn how we can create a small project to generate a barcode by using React library. So for that, what I do, I say npx create React app, name is barcode generator. Press enter. So it will create a new application of React for barcode generator. Now you see that we have created a project. So go to barcode generator CLS and start here npm start. Now I just open this and here this is the application. So I create here one folder component like this, and here I create one more component. I say barcode gen.jsx. Here I say RAFCE, this one. Here I will make my coding. So right now this is running. So we have to modify it according to barcode and we have to design it also. So for that, what I do, here I remove all these things, delete it, and I call here barcode gen component like this. Save this and I remove all these things, and here I will use container because I am going to use here bootstrap. So for bootstrap, what I do, I create one more command prompt here, and here in command prompt I go to barcode application and here I install npm I bootstrap like this. So you see we have installed bootstrap. Now I have to install one more component. So I say npm I react barcode like this. You see, done, we have installed it. Now I just close it, no need of this. Now what I do, first of all I just use here bootstrap. So I import bootstrap. First of all I say import and I say bootstrap like this. I say dist folder, then I say css, then I say bootstrap.css. now I import Java file also. So I say bootstrap, then I say dist folder, then I say js folder, then I say bootstrap and save it like this. So bootstrap is ready. Now I close it. I close this one also because bootstrap is ready in container. Now I need to make coding under this. So here what I have to do, here I use I say h2 like this, and here I say barcode generator like this, and I say this barcode generator should come under span tag. I say class name here. Under this class name I say it is a row, one row I want to use for that, and I just close it and I put under this. Save this, and if you see output we have like this. Now I say it is I say text to the center, I say basis, I say bg secondary. Save this. You see we have like this. So for that I want to create a color. So I say success, that green color I want like that. Now I say text white, and I also say margin from top is 3. Save this. So you see, like that we have. Now I need separate row, so I copy this and I paste it. In separate row I don't want any color, so I remove this. No need of this center. One row is there, no need of this margins right now, just row I need. And here I need button and input box, so I say here I need this div tag. Here div is better to use. Now in div tag what I do, I use here input type equal to text, and I say value equal to text, or that I want to write for generating barcode, and I say on change, that would be of the function e, that will change set text, and that text would be of e dot target dot value. And I just close this, save this. So one component I have like this. Now what I do, I say I have a variable of state variable, I say const, that name is text, and set text like this, and here I say use state like that. Save this. Now this text I want to pass here like that. Save this. So if you see that we have text box that is getting all the screen, but that we don't want, so refresh it. So we have like this. So what I do, I say this row should have a margin from top, that should have a 2, like that. Yes. Now I want one button also, so I say the class name for this, and I say it's use call sm. I say I use 8 column only, so you see that it is also enough. So I say it should use 6 column. Yeah, it is okay. Now I need to create a button also, so I say one button. The class name for this button is I say call sm, I say 2, and I say btn primary. And what I do, I say button name is generate barcode. Save this. You see we have this button also. I need some space from the left side, so I say mx2. Save this. You see we have a space from this side also, so it is also working perfectly. Now I say on click on button, so here I say on click, and after on click I want to call a function. I say generate barcode, this function we want to call. So I create this function also. So I say const generate barcode, and here I need this function. This function will update one more state variable, and that is barcode set set barcode like this, and I say use state, and here I say in this function set barcode, and that would be of text which we have. This text we have here. Now this barcode I want to pass here like I import first of all barcode from React barcode like this. Save this. Now this barcode I want to use. This barcode I want to use to display the barcode after the button. So here after button, here in this div tag, in separate row, I create a div tag here. In this div tag I say class name, and here I say the class name would be, I say class name, I say row first of all, and in this row, yeah, here, and I create here barcode component that I'm using. This barcode component, this one I want to use, and this barcode need one value, so I pass a value here as a barcode that I want to generate the text from the barcode. So that is all about. Now you see that we have this, and I pass here Dr. Vipin classes. I create generate, and you see barcode is ready, and we can give some gap also. So we provide some gap. I say I need empty -3 from the top. You see space is also coming. Once again we check. I say I need to create a barcode of Dr. Vipin Tevatia. Generate, the barcode is ready. Suppose I want to create React barcode generator by Dr. Vipin Tevatia. Create here. You see barcode is ready. We can pass any number also like this. You see barcode is ready. So we can do anything here, whatever we want to type anything, and we have a barcode ready. So you see how simple it is to create barcode with the help of React application, and with the help of Bootstrap. We have designed this wonderful layout, and we have the barcode here. In this video we have learned how we can design or create a barcode generator in React. That's all in this video. If you learn something, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.